Today I'm going to be showing you a very easy way to have your lunch or brunch in a matter of minutes. When you're lying on the couch and feeling hungry and you have a couple of ingredients as mine, this is a nice way to have your lunch in a matter of minutes. Or even if you're feeling lazy to cook, this will take just a matter of minutes and you'll have lunch on your table. So here I have a couple of buns that I bought in the supermarket. I have my lettuce, some tomatoes, onions, and Brawn. I'm using pork Brawn that I also bought from the supermarket. So you can find all these ingredients in the supermarket, or maybe you have them in your kitchen right now. So just wake up, go and make yourself a nice sandwich. So if you don't have buns, you can also use bread. So let's get started. First things first, I'm going to toast my buns. So you'll toast for a couple of minutes until they are a little bit brown on the bottom side. So this is what you're looking for. I'm going to put that aside. Then I'm going to add my next one. And my second one is also toasted. So I'll put that aside also. Then for my sauce, I'm going to be using ketchup. About 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I really love ketchup. Then also I'm going to be using mayonnaise. My mayonnaise is eggless and still it tastes so good. And a little bit of yellow mustard. Then I'm going to use my spoon and combine my sauce. I really love sauce when it comes to sandwiches, burgers. They usually add a little extra-ish flavor to the sandwich or burger. So it's ready. Then what I'm going to do next is assembling our sandwich. So here I have my buns which I've cooled. You can hear the crispiness from, yeah, that is what I'm looking for. I am excited, so I'm so excited for this sandwich because I'm feeling hungry. So now I'm going to add my sauce to my bun. If there's something that is usually easy to make is sandwiches, because you have all the ingredients in your kitchen. I know you have tomatoes, onions, I know you have some leftover Brawn and some lettuce. I know you have. So make use of those ingredients and make yourself a nice sandwich. To start off, I'm going to layer my bun with some lettuce, some curly lettuce. Next, I'm going to add my tomato. Then some onion rings. You can add more or even less if you don't like onions, raw onions. Or even you can use the pickled one. I don't have the pickled ones. So next I'll top my sandwich with my pork Brawn. Then for my top bun, I'm also going to be spreading a little bit of sauce. Listen to that crunch. So good. And then lastly, I'm going to place my other bun on top. This is my second one. So I'm going to repeat the process. If you don't have lettuce, you can also use cabbage, but to thinly slice the cabbage. When you make this for your family, they will always ask you, Mama, can you make for us some sandwiches? You can leave it to the kids to make their own sandwiches because it's so easy. So easy. Now I'm going to add my brawn. Yummy. Then now I'm going to spread a little bit of sauce on the top bun. You know, sometimes it's nice to make the sandwiches at home because they're usually so good. They're even better than the restaurant's one. Yeah, trust me, just try and make them. So there you go. That is my second bun. And I'm already excited. Easy, right? So much easier than you ever thought. This is looking absolutely amazing and delicious, and I can't wait to dig in these sandwiches. So I hope you try out making yourself a sandwich, and it's going to be adorable as mine. Oh, yeah, so adorable. So if you're new here, I'm Scovia, and I'm so excited for you to be here in this space. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, like, share with a friend, and also please don't forget to comment. Just comment something nice because this food is looking absolutely delicious. So thank you so much for watching and catch you next time. Bye.